Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be learning that how we can add our mic or audio capture device in OBS Studio, how you can configure it, because in case of adding audio into OBS Studio it's quite difficult than adding your cameras or then adding your display capture devices. Now in case of our mic or audio capture device, we have pretty much devices of capturing audio in our computer. There is an inbuilt mic, there is our webcams mic, there is our external mic. Many mics are present, so we need to track from which audio device we want to capture our audio, and this will be what we are going to learn in today's tutorial. So let's go to screen. I'll teach you everything there. Okay, now we will first of all we will go to our mic and click enter. Now use device timestamps. You can use this if you want to do this. I'm not going to check this box. Okay, we have three microphones here. The first one is default, which is the inbuilt mic if you are using your laptop, and if you are using your PC, there is no mic in your PC, in your personal computer. In case of me, I'm using my personal computer, so I don't have any of the mic. Default means the sound, the input capture device which you have selected in your settings. In my case, my default is Realtek high definition audio, which is the external mic, and as you can see, whenever I speak any of the single word, the bar of the mic is going up and down, going right and left, which means that it is capturing my audio. Okay, now so if I will leave it default, it will capture my audio through my external mic, and if I want to change it, I can do it, which is the E2E soft IV cam, and this is the camera which I am using. It also have its on my course. This is mobile, this is not actually a webcam. In many of the webcams contain mic, but in case of mobile, the mobile's mic is also very good. But when you are comparing it with an external mic or like Boya or other mics, mobile's mic is not that good how much it should be. So we are using an external mic. We will select the external mic, which is Realtek high definition audio. I'll click this and then click OK. Okay, now my mic is here. Now you need to track which audio you want to give to your videos and which you are going to mute them. So external mic is here. If I will mute this, it won't capture any audio from me. And if you come a bit under, now you can see that this IV cam's mic is not working because we haven't selected this. Now you will see that if I change this to this one and click OK, it will start doing the work for me. Okay, here it won't work until I stop my external mic from that side. So is red, it means it is not capturing any of the audio from your device. So you need to change your mic to the Realtek high definition audio. Okay, and mute the aux cable. Just use that one device, which that one audio device which you are using right now, and in my case I'm using external mic, so I will mute all of the other options, all of the other sounds. I will just enable the external mic. Okay, now, and that's pretty much it. You can see that this is the same scene I've created here, and I have just taught you that how you can add your audio capture device, video capture device, Windows capture, and everything which I am doing right now. So that's pretty much it. I hope the video was great for you. In the next tutorial I will teach you that how you can, sometimes you plug in your external mics but they are not working, they don't capture your audio. There are a few reasons that some problems occur, that your mic is unable to get your voice. So in the next tutorial I will show you that how you can configure your external mic into your PC, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.